And here's I'll show you how to set a video as your call background in Samsung Galaxy Mobile. Go ahead and open the phone or contact app. Here, tap on this three dot, tap on settings. In here, you find call background option, just tap on that. Tap on background. Now, here by default you find bunch of different video background. You can go ahead and if you want you can select any of them. And to upload a video from your gallery, select gallery. And now from your gallery select the video. And here we can see the video. Add date as my call background. Now just tap on set as call background. And once the call background add date, now on whenever you receive an incoming call, you'll see this video call background. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.